So the difference between a generalist bookkeeper and a bookkeeper who really understands real estate investing is that real estate investing has different transactions than maybe a generalist bookkeeper is used to. There's a lot of nuances that happen with real estate that don't happen in other businesses, such as all the different closing statements. And as we know, those closing statements are very long. There's a lot of line items on there. So you want someone who's familiar with all of those different types of transactions because it does matter how those get booked, especially from a tax standpoint. You want to make sure you're capitalizing the right things, expensing the right things. There's also other things with real estate that maybe a general bookkeeper wouldn't be familiar with. Different types of creative loan strategies. Questions I get a lot are on hard money lenders. Where do I book the loan? Where do I book the construction escrow? How do I book my draw fees and when draws are taken? So certainly something that you want your bookkeeper to be familiar with so that everything is recorded accurately. Also, a bookkeeper who specializes in real estate investing is going to set up your books properly from the start, which is huge. A lot of my clients come to me and they have bookkeeping done, but their QuickBooks file is not optimized for how to really present the information in the best way. A bookkeeper that specializes in real estate will know that real estate investors often have many different types of entities, and they also have many different properties. So we want to be making sure the QuickBooks file allows us to run reports by both business and by property, and that way we can present the information however we need it. That's something that I find a lot of generalist bookkeepers won't really break out, and then it can be really hard to kind of dig in and see the profitability on one project versus another. You might just be seeing your business as a whole rather than by property or by project. Another advantage of working with a bookkeeper who understands real estate is just the time savings that you get. I hear a lot, they're like, oh, I just keep explaining the same concepts over and over to my bookkeeper. And that's because that a generalist bookkeeper is not going to come across those things a lot, such as a refinance or a purchase of a long-term rental or the sale of a flip. You might find yourself explaining, what is construction escrow? What's an earnest money deposit? What's a hard money loan? You'll find yourself explaining those things over and over again. So if you have a bookkeeper who understands real estate investing, you're saving yourself a lot of time by not having to educate your bookkeeper. Hiring a real estate specific bookkeeper is a smart investment in your business because for two reasons. One, you'll be saving time, not having to explain the same real estate specific concepts over and over again, and you'll be able to then use that time for better activities to help generate business, find new deals, the things that you enjoy doing. I hear all the time that my clients are like, oh, I don't enjoy bookkeeping. You'll get that time back to do the things in your business that you do enjoy and that are going to make you more money. Also, having accurate bookkeeping will allow you to make better decisions for your business. So maybe that project that you feel like should be profitable, but really whenever it comes down to it, it's not. You'll now know, where's the money going? Where's the hole? So that you can then fix that issue moving forward and make better decisions on your next project.